What's up, guys? What's going on? First vlog at the temporary house, the temp house where we are right now, the Airbnb. Car's in this little small garage, but at least we got somewhere to leave the car. I have so much to tell you guys. There's like, there's a car scene out here, but like I don't even think there's like that many cars. I might honestly be like the only Honda out here, to be honest. This car is so filthy right now. So what I'm actually gonna do now is I'm actually gonna take out the starter, take it to AutoZone and then replace it. But I might take it out and then wash the car and then do that. So let's go. You guys can see we don't got that much space to work with because it's like some stuff here. It's not mine, it's obviously. It's the Airbnb's owner. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna work with what we got. Can't complain. Grab my tools. Should be good. Grab some stuff here from home. Obviously, I need this for E85. Actually, I'll just put this right here on the side. Grab this. You never know when you might need this. I'll put this back here too. Some jack stands. You know, you always need some jack stands. Go. And then tools. I had to push the car, obviously no starter. I'm actually gonna just clean it up real quick. Some soap, some water. Cause this thing is so damn dirty. Like, look at this. 6 hours of dirt, saw everything all on this. Grab some polished soap. Got some hot water in there. I'm gonna take out this hose. Forgot to bring my the piece of spray. I forgot to bring that, so this should be fun. This thing was going crazy, so we'll see how this works. But can't complain, at least we got something. Alright guys, I'm heading to AutoZone right now. I went to the wrong AutoZone and found a guy with an RSX turbo. Cause I haven't seen not one person in here with any type of car. First car I seen, there was a turbo RSX and it's not even really tuned. I guess they don't really tune stuff like that down here. If you guys don't know, I'm in Rochester, New York. A lot different than like New York City. Yeah, he was telling me like, you know, they tune, they charge like $600-700. I'm like, but that's normal for us, you know. That's what we pay out there. But he said they're really not much going on in the winter. Everybody pulls their cars apart. and fixes them wintertime and then pulls them out during spring and summertime. So normal stuff people do, whatever. But yeah, my car is definitely gonna be like stand out a lot out here because it's completely different. There's no performance stores, there's nothing like that. So it's kind of crazy. I gotta get used to it, but I'm gonna just be chilling with my car. I just got a package for my car also, but I gotta get something. I gotta order something else to be able to change it all out. And yeah, so he added me into like some car groups on Facebook and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to that. Even just to take the car out and be able to enjoy it, you know. So we'll see how it goes. I'm up, y'all. A few days later, just got the replacement starter. I haven't really worked on the car. It's been snowing literally every day, as you guys see. But the car is nice and clean, the garage. I'm gonna put the starter on and just make sure, you know, she's good. She starts on, turns on, everything like that. Make sure all that is good. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but I wanted to I wanted to change the ground from where it's at right now and put the ground to look a little bit better where it's at right now. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we put that ground on there just for now, but that shit is so ugly. So I'm gonna probably put it where I had it before, which was I had it there on the back of the head, and then bolted down there somewhere. So I just gotta find 2 bolts, but that definitely has to go because most people will be whatever with it. I'm gonna leave it there for now, but that shit does not look good to me, so I'm gonna end up swapping that around. All right, yeah, so I did something stupid. I forgot to disconnect the battery when I was messing with the starter. So when I put the wrench to loosen the power wire, it grounded off. And there's a battery fuse. You can see there's nothing there. It's supposed to look like this. Try to crank it, it wouldn't do anything. So I remember this happened to me before. So on EK is that one right there. I mean, you guys can see it also. It's on the valve. I mean, it's on the fuse box cover on this side. It'll tell you, but this should be my issue, so we'll see right now. All right, so right away everything came back on, you guys can see. All right, let's see if this bitch wants to turn on. Oh no, battery. Wait, what? All right, so I'm having an issue right now. Goddamn car, man, it popped the fuse that I showed you guys that I swapped out, the 81. It popped another one. So something is going on. I'm not entirely sure what's going on, but it popped the fuse. So trying to see exactly what it could be. I put another fuse in it from the CRV and it was perfectly fine. Yeah, so it popped that fuse too from the CRV. I mean, it popped that fuse from the Civic. I put a CRV one, which is like 100, and it was good. It was cranking. I cranked it a couple of times. The battery sound like it might be kind of dead. But it cranked and then it stopped cranking. So, and again, this is a brand new starter, so I don't really know exactly what it could be. One thing I do think that it can be is what Drew told me. Drew told me his car just had the same issue where the starter, it wouldn't want to work from the ignition. So his ignition was bad, so what he ended up doing was just running a straight power to it from push start. So this don't work. He's gonna end up putting a push start with power and ground like he did. So we'll see. This thing is just so annoying because this is like, you know, my contact car, and so I'm trying to push out over here, but it's like this car's been giving me so many little annoying issues, you know. So I just need to fix it so I can be able to have a car to make content. We'll see. All right, guys. So this is I don't even know date. I have no idea, but look at this. It has snowed every single fucking day. So I haven't been able to work on a car. I just showed you guys, that garage that I'm in now is small. That's not our house, so I can't really do much. I wanted to push the car out to be able to work on it outside, so I can open the doors, have a little bit more space. As you see, it snows every day, and yeah, my driveway is like full of ice, snow, so I can't really do much. So I just got another starter, replace a starter, because I honestly don't know what it is. I spoke to my dad. My dad said it got to be the starter. I spoke to Spanky, the one that built my engine too. He said it has to be the starter, probably grounding itself out inside. The other starter that I got didn't come with like none of this paper and stuff like that. It just came with like the starter itself. So I don't know if like somebody returned them because they were already bad. I don't know. So hopefully that's the issue. If not, I'm gonna have to track down the wiring and stuff like that. Make sure there's no breakage, stuff like that. Maybe. Also, another thing is I could probably change the fuse box also, because I don't know if in this vlog if I said it, but when I was loosening the bolt, when I was loosening this bolt right here, this is where the power cable goes. So when I was loosening this, the wrench touched something, and it sparked. And that's when the fuse ended up popping. I didn't realize that until I put the new starter in. But I don't know if me doing that, it caused like a short or something in the fuse box to go bad, and it's making it, and it's like right now currently making it, you know, have that ground issue and keep popping the fuse. Because I read also that if a fuse box is bad, the number one thing it's gonna do is gonna keep popping the same fuse, which I have already did. I popped 3 of those damn fuses. So praying that's, you know, not the issue. So we shall see. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to work on it today because it's literally 7 degrees. Yesterday was negative. It felt like, they said it felt negative 14 yesterday. So I don't think I'm gonna be working on it. So I'm gonna start a new video probably tomorrow. Hopefully it's a little bit better. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on. I apologize. I appreciate everyone that has been joining the live stream. Everybody from Rochester have given me nothing but love out here. Shout out to that one dude that posted me on Facebook and had like everybody from Rochester come to my stream, stuff like that. So I can't wait to meet all you guys. I'm actually gonna probably end up doing like a little meetup out here once the car is actually good and I could drive it. Then I'll just do it out here. But for now, I gotta figure out this issue and figure out why this car is cranking and not starting. I don't know if it's because I wasn't giving it gas, because obviously I'm one person. You got to give it some gas on E85 for it to start. So yeah, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna head home. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the live streams that I'll do. I'll do them Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So this week I'm gonna be live streaming like every week. So stay tuned. If you guys want to if you guys want to support the channel on you guys can even just go on my channel. You see memberships. It's just a monthly membership, like, you know, Twitch and stuff like that, to support the channel. Like I said, I'm trying to pursue this full time now that I'm out here and I have a lot more time. So I would really appreciate if you guys was to join that. Yeah, and come join the live stream, donate, whatever you guys want to do, man. I really appreciate it. I need you guys support now more than ever. I'm trying to pursue this. I know you got a lot of you guys wanted me to do this, you know, like full time and put out more stuff. So I'm trying now, but this weather out here is terrible. So I'm trying, and anything will be appreciated. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy. Peace out, y'all.